Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris from Project Pineapple Pea. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a photo wall. I've just moved into this house, so I really want to start doing the photo wall because I've never had one before, and if you can see behind me, the wall is pretty boring. Just children's toys, but the wall is really empty and I really love a country feel. So yeah, I'm gonna do the wall and then show you ideas of what you can put in your frames as well as just photos. I currently have photo frames that I bought from ASDA and Tesco's. They were on offer, so the long ones were only £5 actually, which was really good, and the smaller ones were £3, and the grey one was £3 too. And the love hearts were just from B&M. So all these ones were from B&M, which is pretty cool. So I've got all my photos out and I'm just going to decide which ones I want to put into frame. I've already started sellotaping some down. And then let's see how it looks on the wall. So I've bought two grey frames, and basically I'm really into Rendell's things, which are country animals. Especially with the upcycling, it goes really well with it. So basically, I don't like just putting photos in albums. I like to put fabric in. I think it really does set off the room as well. So what I'm going to do is start cutting around the edges of which ones I actually think are going to work in the frame. So there you have it, a cute little deer Rendell fabric frame. So I'm just going to choose some of my designs. I've already put some in. So I've chose all my pictures, so I just want to see what they look like on the wall and have a little play around if I don't like them in a certain place and things. So hammer, ooh, and just some nails. So clumsy sometimes. my wall a little bit of rearranging because I've never actually done a photo wall before and I really love it. I really didn't want the same photo frame, so that's why I got a lot of different ones. So hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. I really think it sets off the room a bit more than just the baby toys in here right now. And you found some inspiration for your wall. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you stay notified from all the other upcycling pieces and things like that I'll be doing. Bye!